Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials. Make sure iOS is current and you have free storage, because system updates and low space often break extensions. Once done, force close the app that invokes the share sheet and relaunch it to clear transient errors. Then restart your iPhone to reset system services. This often restores the share sheet quickly. Make sure to test sharing right after reboot, so you can see whether a restart resolved the issue before doing deeper fixes. Next, dive into the share sheet itself to repair its configuration. Open it, tap More or Edit Actions, then remove or reorder items that seem buggy. Cleaning the list removes corrupted extension states. If an app's extension is causing trouble, disable or remove that app's share extension via settings where available, then reinstall the app to refresh its extension registration. Make sure to test after each change so you know which action fixed the problem and which one didn't, preventing unnecessary steps. For stubborn cases, perform a settings reset. Settings general transfer or reset all settings. This preserves data while clearing system-level preferences that may block the share sheet. If that fails, update or reinstall apps that integrate with sharing, and check for recent app updates that introduced bugs. Sometimes rolling back or using an older app version fixes compatibility. If nothing works, back up your iPhone and consider a full restore. If problems persist after a restore, contact Apple support for hardware-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.